Yeah, what I realized when using this Mercmind cutter for the first time, that it was cutting not only super fast, but it gave me also a very clean cut. I think the cleanest cut I've ever seen from such an electric cutter. Yeah, I got it from the seller to show you how nice this works, but it's still my honest opinion, and we'll be able to see here everything live here anyways. Yeah, what we get here is this really nice device. You can see it sits perfectly here in my hand, no matter if it's left or right. And so to activate, we have to push this button here. You can see already the really nice extra helping light, very convenient, shines pretty much directly into the cutting area. I've seen similar lights from other cutters which point a little bit somewhere else. Here it's really focused on the cutting area, and then when we want to really use the cutting blade, we do not only press here, but we also press here on this safety trigger. You can see I press here just once and then I can release it. What we also realize now is that it's not really loud, and while it's running we can change the speed. Now it's level 1, and now we can easily increase the speed to really fast level 4. Of course, you can also change the speed while it's not running, and while it's running, as long as we are not changing the speed, we can see the charge level here in the back. Yeah, awesome self-sharpening blade here, but you still don't have to be worried. We have also some extra protection here built in regarding the blade. You can see when I hold this screwdriver here, which has about the thickness of my finger. So even while it's rotating, you can see I can hold this here, and there's still quite some gap here, and there's no way I can push this against this blade here. Some really nice extra protection, and still cutting up to about a 1/4 inch diameter. And it's easily rechargeable down here with modern USB-C. Comes even with USB-A to C charging cable. So we get really everything, and it works really solid. And so we can cut a lot of stuff, not only paper, cardboard, fabrics, carpet, even some plastic and a lot more. I've tried it now a couple of times and I really love it. Yeah, absolutely awesome. So compared to a lot of other electric cutters, it comes with a lot of advantages, especially the speed setting and also the really nice display. On the other hand, despite being able to charge with USB-C, it's not allowing for PD charge. And the handle here is just hard plastic. I mean, I think it has a nice design here, really good grip, but a lot of other cutters come with some soft coating here for additional grip. And we also have to know, with this style of cutter here, with this rotating blade, with this extra protection here, in theory we can cut up to about 1/4 inch. And so it works, for example, for normal cardboard, but already when we try to cut a double layer cardboard, I mean really 2 pieces of cardboard on top of each other, it cuts first a little bit, but then usually it gets stuck here in the back. You really have to push really super hard. I mean, it's not a problem of this brand, it's just because of this rotating blade here. So it's the same thing with most other brands which are using this rotating blade. And so for sure one of the better choices if you like this style, unless you want to go with something like that with really open blades which don't have anything in the back. Here you can see there is absolutely no resistance, so everything which goes into the blades can be pushed through absolutely no problem, but of course there's less protection here. So if that works for you and you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this cutter, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.